Hey you guys, and welcome back for another video. So just like the hardwood installation video, this one is pretty similar because it's not in any way related to hair, nails, skin, eyelashes, all that girly stuff. But if you want to see how I changed my oil, just keep on watching. If you have a car that's similar to mine, then this is everything that you will need. Now to lift the car, I use this blackjack with two stands and the actual jack itself. I got it from Walmart. You can look it up online. I'll leave a link in the description box for you. You want to get these grooves into this little section where these, well, you see the jack stand on the other side, but right here. So like you want to get this part into these grooves. Okay, you guys, so I ended up having to use this jack. This one worked okay. I don't know why it decided to like just give out. So I keep this up there and this just for extra security. Now, this other part is kind of optional. You don't have to. But what I do is I put this little box down so I won't get so dirty. It's probably really girly and I don't care. And then I just take this off. If you've been running your car for a while, you probably do need to do this, but my car's been sitting, but I just take this off. Got my oil. And got my filter. The people at AutoZone, they can help you find your filter if you don't know what size and all of that. The only other thing you need is a coin and something to catch the oil in. I have this. So what you do is you keep this nice and tight. And I've used it several times. See, oil drain. Screw tight. Yep. You're just gonna take that off. I like to have everything ready before I go up under this car because no matter how many times I do an oil change, I always get a little nervous. I ain't gonna lie. I always get a little nervous going up under there. Okay? Okay? That's why I got two jacks. One on that side, one on that side. So, this is what the oil pan looks like. This is for the little screw, the little nut that falls, just so it doesn't fall in the oil. Okay? Because I ended up buying these, the little wrench set thing. So I have all of what I need. I think I need a 13. And this says 18. I think this is too big. Okay, y'all. So we about to get up under here. Y'all ready? Here we go. Here we go. Spilled a little bit, but it's okay. Wipe this off just to get the oil off. It's looking like that. Be right back. So this tool right here is the oil wrench. This helps to get the oil filter off, and we're about to work on the filter. Okay, so now that we got our filter off, it looks like this. It's very oily and all of that. And I got my paper towels right here so we can clean it up. So, all you gotta do is pull it out. Pull it out like that. So you just use your flat head, get this off, just like that. Bam. So it looks like this. I'm gonna take another paper towel and I'm gonna clean this out. It ain't gotta be like spick and span, you know what I'm saying? But I mean, it looks better now, you know? Get all that old grease off and stuff. Just like that. Now we got our new filter. Brand new. Oh. So, paper towels. Don't forget your little ring. So easy to put the ring on. And you know exactly where it goes because it's like little ridges. So now you got your new filter, you got your new ring, and it's ready to go back on. If you have one just like mine, then you're gonna have to change the rotation so that you're tightening it instead of loosening it when you get back under here. I always like to do everything before I get under the car because y'all know how I am. So we'll go ahead and do that and put the filter back on. So it should look like this. And put it back on. You're gonna keep tightening it. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. So I'm not gonna tell y'all how to dispose of y'all oil. But I'm gonna just say it's a good day to throw out some Clorox. Okay, you guys, we've been through a lot, haven't we? We have. I have. Can you guess the final step? What is it? What is it? It's putting some oil in there. Can't run the car without no oil. So I'm gonna take my oil that I bought from AutoZone. And I'm gonna use 4 quarts because that's what my vehicle calls for. If yours is 5, then you'll use the whole thing. But for me, it's just the 4. I'm gonna pour it in this funnel and I'm gonna put the cap back on. Remember we have the cap over here. And guess what? We're gonna be done. Well, one final thing. Once you pour all the oil in there, what you'll do is check for any leaks. Any type of, oh, that looks like a critter. That's a leaf. Any type of leaks. Because that'll let you know if you need to tighten anything. Hopefully we don't because I hate getting up under this car. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. So this is the last thing, the very, very last thing that I do. I just check to see if there are any leaks. And there are 0 leaks. So we are in the clear, y'all. We just did your oil change.